Our ACL is complete, and we need to optimize our code. So before I show to the actual thing that we are going to optimize this code, and let me show that why we are going to optimize this code. So because we have created the ACL but haven't yet to employ to um, apply it to to our code companies categories and other than. And after before we are applying our ACLs, let me show that we are having a bunch of it is not a bug, but it is the thing that we need to fix at that moment. Because when this application more advanced become more advanced, and when we create budgets, expenses reports, and user profile, so it will become hideous, or it will become difficult for us to optimize this. So this is the stage that we need to optimize, and we can easily and mm, clear our concept and make understanding better. So let's log in, and I will show you that what we are facing at right now. 1 2 3 4 5 6, make sure that your XAMPP server is up and MySQL server is up and your source is up. PHP artisan serve to run your source server. Okay, so let's see. In a user, we have created two user, manager and member. So manager have different roles and member has different role. So in our admin uh, roles database, sorry, in a data table, see we have three roles: admin, manager, and user. Okay, if I show you the manager, check it. We have assigned him the only the one company, online Dana. You can see we can a 3-year department. Okay, submit and update these rights to the manager. Okay, we have assigned manager to one company and three department. Come back, and in a user member user, we have assigned one company and one department. Okay, so here this is the super admin is login that has created the two users, manager and member, and this super had admin has the rights to two companies, Online Rana and Fantech. These companies are created by super admin, which is rana.shazad at outlook.com. Remember, this is super user. Okay, let me log out and log in the manager, and we will see what the things are going wrong. Okay, manager at test.com, 1 2 3 4 5 6 logged in. So if I go to user, so this manager has access to the user these users are created by the super admin. This is because that we haven't applied the ACL on controller or model. Sorry, not model, but controller and views file. Okay, this user manager has only access to one company, which is Online Rana. And if I go to companies, see, it can change the company. It has the rights of two companies. We have assigned him one company, and but there are two companies that are being showing right now, Online Rana and Fanda, and it can also change the company. Okay, let's come back to Online Rana and let's see what it is in department and periods. So we have assigned three of department to this user, and they are three. Okay, okay, let's now log out this manager, and let's log in the member 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, come to company. This member has also a two companies. We have assigned a farm tech only to this user. and in a department and periods. So this user has two departments or category, but we have assigned a one department to this user. So these are the things that we are going to optimize the code, and we will optimize our query so that we are fetching our companies and categories. So we will optimize our queries. See, okay, let's log out. And before moving, I will give you the one concept of why to use in MySQL. So simple, type in a Google in MySQL. So with the W3 school, so they have a beautiful art, excellent description. So you can read out. And let's go to SQL in. If I go to a first one link, so we can go easily to SQL in. This is the same way. So SQL in operator, what it is. So we can use its syntax is the in operator allows you to specify multiple values in a where clause. So we can use a where clause of multiple values, and let's shift to our code. Okay, not need edit, not required, index not required, create not required, not required, also use not required. Control P to sidebar. Let's open it. Okay, control close it. So when we let's open our company model. In a company model, we have a where user function that is accessing the companies. So we are accessing return db select db raw, and the raw query is select all from companies as C. C is alias of companies table, where user ID is equal to this user, which is this user ID, or user currently logged in user ID, and we are matching. So here we will optimize our query, and we use an other where clause so that we can easily fetch the exact thing that we are going to get in this application. Okay, the in operator allow you to specify multiple values in a where clause. The in operator is a shorthand of multiple R condition. So in syntax is select column, which one from table. Okay, so we are selecting column or selecting table, the same thing. Select all or select single column, doesn't matter. From companies, okay, from table, where column name, where user ID. So we will get a where company ID is equal, not is equal, but company ID in, we will use the value to find that company ID in our in our user detail table. So super admin has created the user, child user, which is the manager and the user. So we will match this company ID to the company ID in our table of user details. So we need to match this company ID in our company. This is a user detail table, and we will need to match this company ID in our query, where we will find write this query. Okay. If I give you more detail about this user, in select operator, so select column name from table from in. So we can also use a select statement, complete select statement in this parentheses. Okay, here they have given a demo database. We have a customer ID, customer name, contact name, address, city, postal code, and country. In the country, Germany, Mexico, UK, Sweden. Okay. Example, they are giving the example. The following SQL statement: select all customers that are located in Germany, France, and UK. So select all from customer, where country, where this country, and we are giving the values. Values one is Germany, France. So it will find all the customers that live in Germany and France and UK. Okay, and select all. The second example is select all from customer country not in Germany, France, UK. So we can use a not operator as well with the in. So it will find all the customers that are not in Germany, France, UK. Select all from customer where, now this time they are giving a complete select statement. So where country in select country from suppliers. Okay, let's apply the first one and see. So select all from customer where country in Germany, France, UK. Here the table is Germany, Mexico, Sweden. So when we run this SQL query, see we have the number of customer number of records 29. The customer Germany, UK, Germany, France. Only those customer that live in Germany, France, UK are been shown in table. Okay, let's change our query, and with the now only the customer that uh, that is in Germany. Run this, so all the customers that are in Germany, they will be find this query. Okay, then this is the explanation that you can go and check in MySQL W3 School or in operator in MySQL Google, you will find it. Okay, let me close it, and okay, let's come to our HDSQL in a user details. So I have a query. Let's write our query first. Okay, where is the data? So this is the data. We need a company ID 2 and 1. We have two companies. So in a query, let's select, create, select all from table name is user underscore detail, where company ID in where company ID, we let's find this one first. Where company ID suppose 1 in, and we say in match this one company ID to this field name which is a company ID. Okay, and we say company underscore ID. So this select all from user details, where this one we will give from a user, currently logged in user, and we'll find its company ID. So in SQL query builder, so I am giving a manual one company ID is 1 in company ID match this company ID. So in find this company ID. Okay, and when it is matched, find all records. When you run this query, see we have a company ID of 1 and 3 records of this, because we are selecting all. So 3 company IDs match, and we can also group by, if we want to group, so we will see it. Okay, let's change from 1 to 2 and run it. So we have now one company. This statement select all from user trail will resolve our issue that currently we are facing. So when we select allocate the delegation of rights to a user, which one company or two companies, so it will exactly fetch the all the companies related to that. Okay, if I change, now let's change to 1 and run it. Okay, let me change to group by um, okay, company ID. So it will see, now it has grouped all the fields into one field. The user's detail 6 into 1, this group only 1 into 1. So this group by we can use it, but here you will confuse. I will not show it more detail about this group by, so we will check it. Okay, now you see the concept, and in the next video we will try, we will implement this concept, and we will do our companies, uh, where it is, where user, that is a company model, and we have a where method, so we will apply to this statement. So stay tuned. I hope so it's make understanding better for you.